Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2017 LZ Ford Focus Sport. This shape ran from the 10th month 2014 to the 11th month 2018. This vehicle sustained damage to the left-hand front. This vehicle is fitted with a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tow bar. Right-hand tail light. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Right-hand front door appears to have no damage. Right-hand power door mirror. Right-hand front guard appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand fog light. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. Has a tidy left-hand sun visor. Tidy right-hand sun visor. Automatic transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. AC climate controls. Tidy gear stick. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.